Welcome back to our channel. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate grooming experience, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 7 male grooming kits that offer complete solutions for your grooming needs. Whether you're looking for versatility, precision, or just a kit that gets the job done right, we've got you covered. Let's explore these top picks that will elevate your grooming routine. Number 1. Philips Norelco Men's Grooming Kit. First on our list is the Philips Norelco Men's Grooming Kit. Renowned for its versatility, this grooming kit is designed to handle all your grooming needs with ease. It features a robust set of attachments that include a full-size trimmer, precision trimmer, and various combs for different hair lengths. The full-size trimmer is perfect for beard trimming, while the precision trimmer is ideal for detailing and edging. One of the standout features of this kit is its dual-cut technology, which ensures a fast and efficient trim with self-sharpening blades that last longer. The ergonomic design of the trimmer fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver for a precise cut. The kit also includes a nose and ear hair trimmer, adding an extra layer of convenience to your grooming routine. The Philips Norelco kit is fully washable, which simplifies maintenance and cleaning. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 60 minutes of cordless use on a single charge, ensuring you have ample time for a thorough grooming session. With its durable build and comprehensive set of features, this grooming kit is a top choice for men seeking a reliable, all-in-one solution.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Wahl Groomsman Trimmer Kit. Next, we have the Wahl Groomsman Trimmer Kit. Known for its exceptional quality and precision, this grooming kit is a staple for men who value a well-maintained appearance. The kit includes a rechargeable trimmer with multiple attachments, including a beard guide, mustache comb, and precision trimmer. These accessories allow for a customizable grooming experience, whether you're aiming for a clean shave or a well-defined beard. The Wahl Groomsman trimmer is equipped with high-carbon steel blades that ensure a sharp, clean cut every time. These blades are designed to stay sharp for an extended period, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The trimmer's ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and control, making it easy to achieve your desired grooming style. Additionally, the trimmer is fully washable, which makes cleaning a breeze. The kit's battery life supports up to 60 minutes of cordless use, providing ample time for grooming sessions. For those looking for a reliable, high-performance grooming kit that delivers precision and durability, the Wahl Groomsman Trimmer Kit is an excellent choice. Number 3. Braun All-in-One Style Trimmer Kit. Coming in at number 3 is the Braun All-in-One Style Trimmer Kit. This versatile grooming kit is designed to offer a complete grooming experience with its wide range of attachments. It includes a precision trimmer, an ear and nose trimmer, and multiple combs for various hair lengths. The trimmer is equipped with a powerful motor that ensures consistent performance even with dense or thick hair. The Braun trimmer features sharp stainless steel blades that provide a precise cut and are designed to last. Its sleek, ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling and precise control, making it easier to achieve the exact grooming style you want. The kit is also waterproof, allowing for convenient use in the shower and easy cleaning under running water. With a rechargeable battery that offers up to 50 minutes of cordless operation, this trimmer provides sufficient time for a complete grooming session. The Braun All-in-One Style Trimmer Kit combines versatility, performance, and convenience, making it a valuable addition to any grooming routine. Number 4. New Philips Norelco Multi-Grooming Kit. Number 4 is the new Philips Norelco Multi-Grooming Kit. This updated grooming kit boasts a range of features designed to provide a comprehensive grooming experience. The kit includes a multifunctional trimmer with various attachments, such as a full-size trimmer, detail trimmer, and different combs for precision trimming. These attachments make it easy to tackle various grooming tasks, from beard trimming to haircuts. The multi-grooming kit features advanced dual-cut technology, which ensures a fast and efficient trim with long-lasting sharpness. The trimmer's self-sharpening blades maintain their effectiveness over time, reducing the need for frequent replacements. The ergonomic design of the trimmer ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control during use. This kit also includes a nose and ear hair trimmer, providing a complete grooming solution. The fully washable design makes cleaning easy, and the long-lasting battery offers up to 60 minutes of cordless use. The new Philips Norelco Multi-Grooming Kit combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it a top choice for a complete grooming experience. Number 5. XIKEZAN Upgraded Beard Grooming Kit. Next, we have the XIKEZAN Upgraded Beard Grooming Kit. This kit is designed specifically for beard care, offering a comprehensive set of tools to help you maintain a well-groomed beard. It includes a high-quality trimmer, a beard comb, and a pair of professional grooming scissors. The trimmer features sharp stainless steel blades that provide a precise and clean cut, making it ideal for shaping and trimming your beard. The XIKEZAN kit also includes a range of combs to help you achieve your desired beard length and style. The beard comb and scissors allow for detailed grooming and maintenance, ensuring that your beard looks well kept and polished. The trimmer's ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and control, allowing for an easy and effective grooming experience. The kit's durable build and high-quality components ensure long-lasting performance. It also comes with a convenient travel pouch, making it easy to take your grooming essentials on the go. For men looking to elevate their beard grooming routine, the XIKEZAN Upgraded Beard Grooming Kit offers a complete solution with everything you need to maintain a stylish and well-groomed beard. Number 6. Comfy Mate Isner Male Grooming Kit. Number 6 is the Comfy Mate Isner Male Grooming Kit. This all-in-one grooming kit is designed to provide a comprehensive grooming solution with its versatile set of tools. The kit includes a powerful trimmer with various attachments, including a precision trimmer, beard combs, and a nose and ear hair trimmer. The trimmer features a high-performance motor that ensures a smooth and efficient grooming experience. The Comfy Mate kit is equipped with self-sharpening blades that provide a precise cut and are designed to last. The trimmer's ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and control, making it easy to achieve your desired grooming style. The kit also includes a cleaning brush and a storage pouch for added convenience, with a rechargeable battery that offers up to 60 minutes of cordless use. The Comfy Mate Isner Male Grooming Kit provides ample time for grooming sessions. Its versatile attachments and durable build make it a reliable choice for men seeking a complete grooming solution. Whether you're looking for a trim, shave, or detailed grooming, this kit has you covered. Number 7. Wild Willies Men's Grooming Kit. Finally, we have the Wild Willies Men's Grooming Kit. This grooming kit is designed to offer a complete grooming experience with its range of high-quality tools. The kit includes a precision trimmer, a beard brush, and grooming scissors. The precision trimmer features sharp stainless steel blades that provide a clean and precise cut, making it ideal for trimming and shaping your beard. The Wild Willies kit also includes a beard brush that helps to distribute beard oil and keep your beard looking neat and well-groomed. The grooming scissors are perfect for detailed trimming and maintenance, ensuring that your beard remains in top condition. The trimmer's ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and control, making it easy to achieve your desired grooming style. With its durable build and high-quality components, the Wild Willies Men's Grooming Kit is designed to last. It also comes with a convenient travel pouch, making it easy to take your grooming essentials on the go. For men seeking a reliable and complete grooming solution, the Wild Willies kit offers everything you need for a polished and well-groomed appearance. That wraps up our review of the top 7 male grooming kits for complete grooming. Each of these kits offers unique features and benefits, ensuring that you can find the perfect solution for your grooming needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Share your thoughts or favorite grooming kits in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.